So with our recent court rulings, pistol braces have been determined to be legal by the federal courts. So with that in mind, I had considered buying one for this pistol because, well, it looks kind of weird, doesn't it? That's all I'm going to say on that. And I'd like to see something nicer. I'd like it to look more, less like a weird little pistol thing, okay? So I decided to purchase this CNC Warrior made brace. It has the strap here so you can loop your arm through it. And it attaches with just one screw. It hinges simply by pushing down. As you can see, you just push down and twist. Now, I bought the left-hand fold version if I ever wanted to, carry it or whatever. Not carry it, but if I ever just wanted to be able to use it without the brace, you can fold it and still, use the action and everything. It also has a nice little spot for your sling, and you can remove that, put your own or whatever you want to do, hook your loop through here, whatever you want to do. It's a nice brace, so let's see if it fits. This one I got is supposed to fit an M92 Zastava, but we will find out in just a second. Okay, so I apologize for the angle. It's going to be kind of difficult to get this on camera. So, clear the gun, and we are going to attach it here. So, like I said, mine's drilled. Some of these aren't drilled, apparently, so you'd have to put your own hole there, but luckily mine's drilled, so I don't have to mess with any of that. Hopefully. So, let's take this thing out of the way. Springage. Okay. Now, we've got a bolt here. Let me see. Let's see. Yeah, that'll fit in through there. Okay, will this fit in here? Yeah, that'll fit in there. Okay. So that'll all fit. Let me see what size this is so you can get your Allen key or whatever. It is a 1/4 inch Allen. You can use just a regular, Allen key. I'm just using a socket because I have it. It's a little easier. Now, in spite of the fact there's a lock washer, I put Loctite on everything. I'm just going to put Loctite on it, okay? So, whatever. Now, the way this is supposed to work, let's find out if it fits, though, is you should just be able to line this up, kind of, whatever. I don't have a gun vise, or else I'd use that. And you should be able to drop this in, and that's your nut. Was it lining up? Yeah, it is, okay. And now, let's just see how that fits. Yep. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it's fitting nice. Okay. Okay, well, that was way easier than I expected it to be. It's already on. That just took a few seconds. I'm very impressed. It seems to fit very well. Let me get this torqued down nicely. It's good enough. Put the spring back in here. Recoil spring. Slot it, okay. Let's see what that looks like. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Oh, look at that. Now that's looking nice. Let me get a better angle so I can show it to you. Oh yeah, that's looking really good. Let me show you it in my hands. Oh yeah, I'm really liking the brace. I think it looks really, really nice. Got that kind of classic AK, stubby 74U, whatever model it is, look, which I'm really a big fan of. And the other thing is, if you want to put this in your vehicle or a safe or somewhere you can't fit the whole long thing, look at that. You can fold it, it's out of the way, and you can still use the action here, which is really nice. You can kind of get the magazine too. I really like this thing so far. It's made out of good high quality materials like I was showing earlier. It's all steel except for this end piece, which is plastic, and that's okay. That way it won't hopefully mar your finish so much right here when it's folded. It also kind of keeps it's spring loaded. It kind of returns back here. If you look, it's got a cam there. So it returns back to this position. But to fold it out, you just pull it out and that's it. Push it in, and to fold it in you have to push down and release the thing. So I'm actually very happy with this so far. We'll have to see how this goes. I'm going to take it to the range pretty soon and give it a test and see, how the strap works and how I strap my arm to it, that kind of stuff. Because that's what I intend to do with this. I'm going to strap my arm to it, for all the ATF agents watching, which hopefully you aren't. And if this ever becomes illegal, I will surrender it or I will destroy it, or I'll burn it, or, you know, throw it down the toilet, whatever. I won't own it. But for now, it's legal, okay? So that's good. A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Unless you can't strap that shit to your arm, then you can go fuck yourself. So I hope you enjoyed the review of this CNC Warrior brace. And I will see you in the next video. Maybe I'll make one on me shooting this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.